The OnePlus Nord N20 has all the makings of a solid budget phone. However, its release date info could be tricky for some shoppers. The OnePlus Nord N20 looks to be one of 2022's better budget smartphones, though its release date is still a little ways off. Keeping track of every phone that comes out during a given year is virtually impossible. With releases from Apple, Samsung, Google, and more, all with varying prices and features, things get very crowded very quickly. Also contributing to the onslaught of phone releases is OnePlus. 2021 saw the release of the OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, and OnePlus Nord N200 5G. And those are just OnePlus phones that launched in the United States. Other countries also got the OnePlus 9R, Nord C 5G, Nord 2 5G, and the OnePlus 9RT 5G. It's a lot to stay on top of. Fast forward to 2022, OnePlus is looking to have another busy year. Hot off the heels of the OnePlus 10 Pro, OnePlus has also announced the OnePlus Nord N20 5G as its latest smartphone for US shoppers. It's touting a Snapdragon 695 chipset, a vibrant AMOLED display, a big 4500 mAh battery, and a 64-megapixel primary camera. However, in typical OnePlus fashion, the phone's release date is a little confusing. Although it was announced on April 19th, the Nord N20 5G release date isn't until April 28. There's also no pre-order event happening for the phone. If you're interested in buying the Nord N20 5G, you need to wait for April 28 before purchasing it. In addition to the April 28 release date, there are a few other availability tidbits to be aware of. Most importantly, the OnePlus Nord N20 5G will be sold exclusively through T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. And that's not just a carrier exclusive. At least for the time being, T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile will be the only places selling the Nord N20 5G. You won't even find an unlocked model on OnePlus's official website. It's unclear how long that exclusivity will last, but be prepared to have some kind of T-Mobile wireless plan if you're at all interested in the Nord N20. Thankfully for folks who are T-Mobile subscribers, the OnePlus Nord N20 5G is very affordable. T-Mobile will sell the phone for $11.75 per month on a 24-month installment plan. That works out to just $282 once all's said and done, making the Nord N20 5G nearly $150 cheaper than Apple's iPhone SE3. Furthermore, anyone who adds a new line with any plan can get the Nord N20 5G for free, paid out via monthly bill credits over 24 months. Do you think the smartphone has an appropriate price for its specs? Let's talk in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.